Hello, health enthusiasts, and welcome to Healthy Journey. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of papaya, a tropical fruit that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also offers a plethora of health benefits. Originating from the tropical regions of the Americas, papaya has made its way across the globe, gracing our fruit bowls and enriching our diets. Known for its sweet, succulent flesh and unique flavor, papaya has earned itself the nickname Fruit of the Angels. But it's not just the heavenly taste that makes papaya so beloved. The true magic of papaya lies in its rich nutritional profile. Packed to the brim with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, papaya is a veritable cornucopia of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, this vibrant fruit is a must-add to your daily diet. So let's peel back the layers and discover the wonders of the humble papaya. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, this vibrant fruit is a must-add to your daily diet. Loaded with vitamins C, A, and E, papaya is a natural immune booster. These essential vitamins are powerful antioxidants that work tirelessly to ward off harmful free radicals in your body. By doing so, they help to fortify your immune system, ensuring you're well equipped to combat common ailments, from the flu to more severe health conditions. But the goodness of papaya doesn't stop there. This tropical fruit is brimming with a wealth of other nutrients, including folate, potassium, and B vitamins. Together, these nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining your body's overall health, from supporting heart health to promoting proper brain function. Moreover, papaya is rich in dietary fiber, a vital component that aids in digestion. Consuming fiber-rich foods like papaya can help ensure a healthy and efficient digestive system, reducing the likelihood of uncomfortable issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements. Plus, the high fiber content aids in digestion, promoting a healthy gut. Papaya contains enzymes like papain and chymopapain, which aid in digestion by breaking down proteins. These enzymes are essentially biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions in our bodies. So, when you enjoy a slice of papaya, these enzymes get to work breaking down the proteins in your food into smaller, more easily absorbed molecules. This process is crucial for good digestive health, as it helps your body to extract the maximum nutrients from your food. But that's not all. These enzymes are also believed to have a soothing effect on the stomach, helping to reduce inflammation and promote healing. So, whether you're grappling with a pesky case of heartburn or simply want to keep your digestive system running smoothly, papaya could be just the ticket. Incorporating papaya into your diet may help prevent bloating, indigestion, and other digestive issues, ensuring a happy tummy. But wait, there's more. Don't discard those seeds. Often tossed aside, papaya seeds are a hidden gem in the realm of nutrition. Much like the fruit, these little seeds are packed with a potent mix of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Rich in a variety of antioxidants, papaya seeds work to flush out harmful toxins from your body, contributing to a healthier, better functioning liver. Their antioxidant properties also play a pivotal role in maintaining the health of your cardiovascular system. They work diligently to reduce the levels of harmful LDL cholesterol while promoting the beneficial HDL cholesterol. So next time you're enjoying a juicy slice of papaya, remember not to overlook those seeds. Grind them into a pepper-like powder to spice up your meals, or simply eat them whole. After all, papaya seeds, often overlooked, are a hidden treasure trove of nutrients. Rich in antioxidants, they contribute to detoxifying the liver and promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. For those on a weight management journey, papaya can be your ally. This tropical delight is more than just a feast for your taste buds. It's a boon for your waistline, too. How so? Well, papaya is low in calories. A 100-gram serving of papaya has just about 43 calories. That's less than a small apple. But it's not just about the calorie count. It's about the nutritional punch this fruit packs. Papaya is high in dietary fiber, a nutrient that adds bulk to your diet. This helps you feel full, curbs overeating, and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Moreover, the enzymes in papaya can help improve your digestion, supporting your metabolism's efficiency. A well-functioning metabolism is crucial for weight management, as it ensures that the food you eat is converted into energy rather than stored as fat. So, embracing the papaya can be a great step towards healthier eating habits. Its low-calorie content, combined with high fiber, helps keep you full for longer periods, reducing unhealthy snacking and supporting your weight goals. Looking for radiant skin and luscious hair? Look no further. Papaya, this tropical delight, is your go-to beauty elixir. Bursting with vitamins and enzymes, papaya holds the secret to glowing skin and healthy hair. Its antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, combat skin inflammation, reducing acne and blemishes. The enzymes, particularly papain, exfoliate dead skin cells, rejuvenating your skin and giving it that sought-after glow. But the beauty benefits of papaya don't stop at your skin. It's a boon for your hair too. Packed with folate and vitamin A, papaya supports hair growth and helps in controlling hair thinning. It also nourishes your hair, adding a natural shine that's sure to turn heads. So, in your quest for beauty, remember to give papaya a prime spot in your diet and skincare routine. The vitamins and enzymes in papaya contribute to healthier skin by reducing acne and blemishes. The presence of folate and vitamin A also promotes hair growth and adds a natural shine. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of papaya fruits and seeds. This nutritional powerhouse, often referred to as the fruit of the angels, is a tropical delight that can do wonders for your health, from boosting your immune system and aiding digestion to promoting a healthy cardiovascular system and supporting weight management. But the benefits don't stop there. Papaya can also contribute to radiant skin and luscious hair, thanks to its rich content of vitamins and enzymes. Whether you enjoy it in a smoothie, as a snack, or as part of your meals, incorporating this vibrant fruit into your diet is a delicious way to nourish your body and boost your overall well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a papaya. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for joining us on this nutritional journey. Until next time, take care and enjoy the goodness of papaya.